Every successful person says that it's very important to have a to-do list of the day. But they don't explain how to make a to-do list. And everyone fails at making the best to-do list for themselves. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to know productivity hacks every week. Today, we are going to talk about one technique which can help you in creating perfect to-do list for yourself. And that is 1-3-5 rule. This technique can save your huge amount of time every day. Many professionals are using this technique and it increased their productivity by 90%. All you have to do is, when you are creating to-do list for yourself, divide it into 9 tasks, 1, the most important task, 3, medium tasks, and 5, not so important tasks. For some people, 9 tasks are easy to accomplish. And for some it's way too much. But it's fine. Your to-do list should be very flexible and easily manageable. You cannot manage the whole week in a day. Like, managing content, replying emails and managing other stuff. So, the best way is to create a list of tasks for the whole week. And use the 1-3-5 rule. Prioritize your tasks with this rule. You can do it in 2 ways. Either divide your tasks on the basis of the energy they require, 1, tough task, 3, normal tasks, and 5, easy tasks. Or you can divide your tasks as per their importance and urgency. The most important and urgent tasks should be kept under priority and done first. The other 3 important tasks should be kept in an important section and should be done second, while the rest 5 tasks should be kept in remaining sections. Out of 5 tasks, you have to decide which tasks are urgent. Those tasks should be done first. Use HyLyt to manage your to-do lists every day. You can set to-do list for your teammates as well and stay connected with them. And easily manage all your 9 tasks of the day. Use 1-3-5 rule with HyLyt and enjoy the time you save. See you next week with another video. Till then, have a productive week.